The motor is going to be a super powerful motor, and as you can see, 7,500 RPM. So these blades going to work very nice and smooth. This is magnetic, as you can see, just put it together and it comes up here, and that's it, it starts working. USB-C fast charging, and on the screen I have a battery percentage, and I can press and hold it to lock it, so that by accidentally I'm not gonna turn on and off. Alright guys, let's take a look at the best-selling grooming kit from Yineel. Company sent it to me to review it. Let's unbox and take a look in what's going on inside, right? So the price, it was surprisingly well, and a lot of people love this kit because I want to show you why. So this one, as you can see, the waterproof kit, it comes with the 6 different blades, and I'm gonna go one by one. Oh, actually it comes with a nice digital display right here, and it shows the the battery percentage, and surprisingly the battery life, it goes up to 150 minutes. So that's long, multiple days use without any issues. The motor is going to be a super powerful motor, and as you can see, 7,500 RPM. So these blades are going to work very nice and smooth. So let's take a look at one by one. So this one is going to be a whole body, the trim. So I have a Phillips, only the blade, it's cost entire this kit alone. So hopefully this one's going to be serve me long years without any issues. This is magnetic, as you can see, just put it together and it comes up here, and that's it, it starts working. So let's go to the different side. This one's going to be flat, as you can see. The trim, is soft place. Oh, it actually is trimming already. So this one's going to be just a hair clipper, and this one's going to be for the braid, that's for the sides, corners. So the last one is going to be smallest one for designer cuts. So what else inside the case? Oh, we have a stand, and we have a bunch of clippers. I didn't know it's where we had the clippers, and as you can see, the multi-size clippers. USB-C fast charging, and on the screen I have a battery percentage, and I can press and hold it to lock it, so that by accidentally I'm not gonna turn on and off while I'm using it, right? So I have a USB-C and the oil here. For the oil, we don't have spot for sure, and the cleaning brush. So great product, quality wise, fit and finish, and works, and adapters, everything, it goes straight in. And these blades are, I think, the self-sharpening blade, and very nice and safe blades. So great quality from the Yineel. Glad this company is bringing very affordable. This compared with my sharp is as they say before, just a blade itself is more than this, a lot of product for the price. So these two, it's going to be extra, I'm not going to use them. So power charger, we're going to remove this, and as you can see, this is the entire kit from Yineel, and it's going to serve you many years with quality product for the price. That's why they're getting very good reviews. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. Also in the next video.